remaining presenters. So, Doc Bantige, will you please be the chairman of this
Okay, sir.
course?
Okay. So,
Thank you very much.
okay, sir. Ano presenter again?
Mr.
Sir,
Pomperada, ma'am.
Okay, Sir Jake, please proceed to your presentation.
Okay, let me share my screen. Can you see already my presentation?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Okay,
Proceed.
so once again, good morning, everyone. No? So my study is all about hybrid learning based on machine learning. So we have here the introduction. Educational success hinges on accurately predicting and boosting student performance, a complex endeavor due to the myriad factors at play. With technology, especially machine learning or ML, educational approaches have advanced, presenting potent predictive models for students' outcomes. While many machine learning models have been proposed, a comprehensive system considering various elements like attendance, class participation in exams is essential. High attrition rates in institutions pose financial and reputational challenges, emphasizing the need for predictive systems. A hybrid learning model or HLM based on machine learning utilizing techniques like linear regression offers promise in anticipating student performance by connecting multiple variables. This study's goal is to develop a holistic student performance prediction system focusing on factors from attendance to academic performance. It aims to pinpoint students at risk and guide interventions through its efficacy demands rigorous validation with real-world data. So my objective of the study, the main objective of this study is to develop hybrid learning model or HLM using machine learning techniques to anticipate and improve student performance. We have here specific objectives, design a system to track and analyze students' academic data, use machine learning to predict student performance, relate dependent and independent variables for accurate predictions, evaluate the system using ISO 25010 software quality standards, assess system usability with the system's usability scale or SUS. For my conceptual framework of the study, we have here the input, requirement specification, system data, which includes student information like attendance, class participation, task performance, quiz, and exam scores. For the process, I'm using here RAD, planning and requirements, analysis and design, implementation, testing, evaluation, deployment, and maintenance. For the output, hybrid learning model on machine learning, and then the outcome, the system will able enhance the student learning and academic status by analyzing historical data. So the scope of the limitation of my study, the hybrid learning model based on machine learning focuses on boosting student performance in schools by pinpointing areas for individualized support. However, it's tailored solely for academic setting. It does not consider non-academic influences like socioeconomic status. While perfect prediction isn't guaranteed to the complexities of learning, the system strives to enhance current methods for student performance evaluation. For my methodology, the study employed both developmental and descriptive research methods in exploring the integration of machine learning in a hybrid model. One-on-one, the developmental method was used to craft and refine the system, encompassing both its conceptual foundation and its technical infrastructure. The formulation and enhancement of this system are anchored in the software development lifecycle, or SDLC, specifically the rapid application development, or RAD. The descriptive method assess the system's level of acceptability, examining aspects like usability and accuracy of generated reports. This research aimed to determine the system's overall effectiveness, reliability, efficiency, and alignment with educational dynamics. So this is the end of my presentation. I'm ready for your questions. Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you, Sir Jake. So let's proceed to the first um, comments or reactions from our external panel? Sir Bob?
Good morning, Sir
Thank you,
Bob.
Doc. Good morning, Sir. Uh, yes, um, as I understand, you're trying to use an algorithm or a machine learning performance of the students, correct?
Yes, to
Am
predict.
I correct in understanding? Okay. Next, and you're going to use linear regression algorithm for that matter.
Yes, Doc.
Okay. Now, when we say hybrid, we are looking into synchronous and asynchronous modality of teaching and learning, correct?
Correct.
Okay. Now, I think I miss in reading that part that the scope of your study is both the synchronous and asynchronous performances of the students.
No, actually, n- initially it is more on the web-based online, but it can be I will add, it can be deployed locally also, the system.
Okay, sige. So that we can justify the hybrid, Sir Jake, para at
Yes,
least
yes, yes, Doc.
with may kumagamba kita hybrid. Now, if you have that both, make sure that you have part of your prediction or predictive analysis is that you have this clustering na. No, I think it would be better if you have clustering because there are also students who are simply active, passive, and inactive for that matter, so that your prediction would somehow be very good in terms of giving information to the admin, no, whether they have to improve, no, their teaching and learning modalities in terms of the results that you'll be providing.
Copy, Doc.
Okay, sige. So again, you have to broaden, no, further your prediction model in terms of clustering the students, whether they are active, passive, or inactive, and whether they are in online or in a physical modality.
Okay, noted. Thank you.
Okay, para namin pagid, Sir Jake.
Mm.
And also, Sir Jake, as I understand also, ang scope mo lang are those subjective performances or those mga tawag naton summative assessments?
Oh yes, sa by semester ang ilang mga grades, Doc, sa
Mga quizzes.
Oo.
Quizzes, exams lang, no?
Oo.
Oo. So you did mention that nga ina lang ang part, but would it be possible since you also mentioned nga wala mo na include ang socio economic, but you mentioned about the importance of holistic education. So nang with that statement, usually ginadala naton ang socio-economic situation, no? To capture the holistic education. Pero if that would be impossible, would it be okay with you if you will include the formative assessment lang? Kay do masapos ang formative assessment kaysa sa mga holistically captures, no, the education arena, kay ti mga socio-economic dako na siyang
Oo,
dako
scope.
na siyang analysis mo nga himuon mo because although it also affects, no, their education, their academic performance, maski din lang, Sir Jake, either of the two, I would like to have that predictive as well as part of your items analysis. para mas nami pagid ang ang results nga makuha naton.
Okay, so I include ko na lang, for example, ang ilang nga mga status nila sa kabuhi, or kung may access sila sa mga device, something like that.
Sige, sige. Because I'm just taking what you have said about holistic education. So, i-mention mo na siya sa imo nga document. So, dila lang gid ko capture man sa ako nga suggestion.
Sige Doc, noted. Pwede man na siya idugang na lang para at least because may ara online, may ara man local lang siya. Ti iba mga devices ti dira sila sa school kiti wala sila device, pwede na lang ma-include siguro ang ilang status. Oo.
Yes, correct na siya. Oo, para at least you have plenty of clustering analysis pagid para maka-doctorate level na ning imong study.
Sige, noted Doc. Thank you for your
Okay,
suggestion.
thank you. That's all for me. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Thank you, Sir Bob. So let's proceed to Sir Iggas. Sir Ray.
Good morning, sir. Jake.
Good morning, Doc. Ray.
Mine is on the improvement of the schematic diagram on the research framework. You have to state the outcomes in such a way that reflects the long-term effect of your project or your system. Another is on the methodology. Same observation, this time the reverse. You have mentioned about the development aspects. However, on the research, the conduct of research or the evaluation of the produced system is not actually, wala akong nakita, no? So please indicate as to who will be evaluating your system. If I ask you now, sir, who will evaluate your system?
Actually, the evaluators of my proposed system is the faculty members and then the students, because in my proposed system, the teacher can monitor and evaluate if the student is performing well, the academic performance, and then I added also to check the attendance of the student. So the main purpose of checking the attendance is not only to determine whether the student is already dropped, but academic intervention, because my subject is the students in Colegio San Agustin. We are only very few students enrolled there right now, so we cannot afford to have smaller number of students because the program might be dissolved. So by having an academic intervention, we can guide the students and help them to continue on their study. That's the stakeholders, the faculty, and then also the students. They can see also their performance, and then from there on we can evaluate whatever problems that they encounter in a particular subject in the previous semesters that they are enrolled in studying in the school.
Thank you, sir. In short, that would be reflected in your paper, huh? Because
Yes.
we cannot always justify we are not there to say everything for the users of this research. Okay, so
Noted.
na improvement on the methodology side, and that I've mentioned on the outcomes. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc Ray.
Okay, thank you. So let's proceed to to Dr. Bakal, Judith.
Okay, good morning. Good morning to our presenter, Sir Jake. Good morning.
Good morning, Doc.
I don't have any correction or suggestion in your introduction because you have already mentioned or properly stated what is the difference of the proposed system between those existing, and you made mention that the existing machine learning system focuses only on single aspect of student performance. So yours covers other aspect other than those stated Then ano lang siguro if you can add more related literature in your chapter 2.
Chapter 2.
Thesis.
Thank
That's
you,
all.
Doc.
Thank you.
I will add the additional literature in chapter 2. Thank you, Doc Judith.
Okay, Sir Jake, ang
Yes, ma'am.
okay naman. So congratulations, but I think
Thank you, Doc.
I can suggest that you try to include the socioeconomic parameters.
Yes,
no?
I will.
As to, ano lang sir, as to appropriate or significant parameters lang. Hindi
Yeah.
naman tanan naton nga may daw budlay na siya i-access ang data, but the most possible and considered a significant parameter.
Yes, Doc, noted. Because as I said, no, not all my students have their own access on the internet and gadgets. Not all of them has their own laptop or computers at home. So that's also I can say that the socio-economic, no, on the part that I will include, no, in my system and then also in my paper. Thank you very much.
Thank you
for your
Thank
suggestion.
you. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir Elvin, do you have something to say with Sir Jake?
Doc, wala Doc, kaya ako na siya nga advisee.
Sige.
Anyway, na-note ko man di ang mga comment suggestion o different panel.
So, next presenter.
Thank you.